Done. 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 Did you have to be patient?
Yeah, I kept on falling over.
Yep.
Hi. Mom, that is talking. Hooray! There's more gold to me.
Be careful. What are you doing?
Why did he think I was a ghost? Why? Why did he, Mama? It wouldn't be my fault.
So here's our little seedling starting table. We're gonna start several more trays here. We're in the basement. Yeah?
Dad did not be over there.
Well, I'm allowed. We've been dealing with a lot of flooding down here, right here. We've got our sump pump over there. We've pumped out, gosh, just probably like over 1,000 gallons of water. So now it's finally dry, although you can see it's still damp, but we have, so far we've got the banana peppers right here, came up really well. We have 6 strawberry plants growing that look good. And over here we have some ox heart tomatoes. We have 2 Romanesco cauliflowers because Rivka dumped the rest of the seeds out accidentally and they were lost, so we've got 2 of those. I was excited about growing those, but oh well. And then I started this Jangulon seed in these 2 compartments, and it looks like one is coming up. These seeds came all the way from India, and they're supposed to be a house plant that makes a good tea that's like really good for you. So yeah, I'm really hoping that one will grow.
I'm just gonna blow it down. I want Mom to put on video while I do it. Wait, did you see the ones that I took pictures of? Oh, yeah. Did you see Potato sleeping?
Hello, poor kitty.
I was wondering, did you see him so cute, Penguin? Really, did you?
Hi, Winston. Hi, Bonnie. So this is our elderberry tree. I'm gonna cut this back down pretty short right here. Alright, turn it off. So I got my hand pruners. I'm gonna cut up some of these elderberry. I'm actually, if they're thin like this, there's a lot of green. I think these will actually root. So I'm gonna cut at an angle the bottom, and then I'm gonna cut it like that, the top flat, so I know like which way it's growing. And then I'm gonna try rooting these cuttings so that we can expand our elderberry plants and maybe give or sell some. So we actually should have like a bucket of water, I feel like. So angle, bottom, and straight. So we've had a lot of rain last week, and it is just so nice today to have some sun and get some time outside that's enjoyable. So that's angled and then flat cut. So I think I'll pot these up in yogurt containers or plant pots and see if they do some new growth this year. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to finish doing that on these branches, and then we're going to put the thicker parts away for making some whistles with. Okay, cut. So here's Dahlia. Just a minute. She is our satin doe, Angora doe. She is going to be expecting her litter of kits in 3 days. Will be 28 days, so it could be a few days after that. She's acting very friendly, and what else? Okay, show the nesting box. So we've made this nesting box. I'll back it up so you can see the whole thing.
Oops, sorry. Alright, it's hard because it's like the wire. Okay, there. So our nest.
So here's our nesting box. Can you show it from the side?
You were right. They were on the table.
Alright, this is good. Alright, we got her a raisin for a treat.
A treat.
See if she wants a treat.
Buddy. Hey, little buddy.
Here she comes. Oh, she's sweet. She got
Raisin. I got one raisin.
just a few. She
A lot.
a few. Yeah. Do the nesting box again. Tell me when. So the nesting box is made out of 1-inch pine, and it has a 1/4-inch hardware cloth bottom. And we put a little bit of hay in it, and then she started putting hay in on her own, and she's made a little nest. I don't see any wool or anything in it, but yeah, we're hoping in a few days to see some baby bunnies. I just put these 2 metal folding cot frames around as a square around where the elderberries are. Now that we've cut them, actually I should cut this little thing. Now that we've cut them, it'll be a little easier to not trample around them, because they might be putting out shoots too. So we don't want to trample our elderberry. Okay. Ugh. So it's March 31st today, and we took the temperature of the soil in our greenhouse, and it was 56 degrees, so we decided to plant this side of it that's ready, and I guess it's planted. So in this long bed here, this is the full length of the greenhouse. We've got peas in the back, and then we're doing carrots down the middle. And in the front we are, is it breakfast radishes? Yep. It's just going to have a row of breakfast radishes. So yeah, it's exciting to get a few things in the ground. Dahlia's here.
She really wants another treat.
She needs more treats.
I gave her like 5
She loves
pieces of
celery.
I'm just kidding. I did give her 2 pieces.
And these are the apple sticks for the bunnies that we got so far. And then, oh yes, in this corner, we have this side ready just in this corner, and we just planted kale. So it's April 1st here in Maine, and the children are outside playing a lot now. It's super warm today. I mean, it's probably almost 50 degrees. I'd say it's still in the 40s, mid 40s, and they wanted to show me their little garden areas that they've raked and dug, and it looks like they've got a rock wall surrounding them. We've got some little strings, and also we've got over here a little garden. How sweet. Could probably plant some stuff here. This is right behind our first greenhouse, so yeah, could probably plant there. Here are the rest of our garden lying dormant, still waiting to be cared for again. Here's Gideon. Hi, Potato. Here we have Potato. Hi, Bunny. So we've let the bunnies come out in some pens today. And they're getting some nice fresh air. There's a nice breeze. It's pretty warm today, so they are out on the ground doing some grounding. Here's Winston. Charlie's been out and he's already back in. Hey, Winston. Oh, isn't he cute? Winston, you're cutie. Hello. You're a good boy. I think he's gonna come in and get brushed later, since he's got all these leaves in his wool now. Hi, Gray Duck. So I just cleaned out this cage here, and here's a big pile of bunny manure and hay. We just raked out. So yeah, it's a nice day. So we did a bit of cleaning out underneath here. That cage is gonna come back and it gets hung. Hey, Charlie. Good boy. Yes, you are. So we're supposed to be getting quite a bit of snow again. So we did some outside stuff today, which was, oh, here they are again, which was nice. So we did a little more with the seedlings this week. We've got this tray here where you can see some zinnias coming up, and a little bit of this red iceberg lettuce in the back is also coming up. We still need to put these banana peppers into some bigger containers like these. And I've got this over here with lavender seeds. So I thought we would try to grow a bunch of lavender seedlings. And it looks like our ox heart tomato seedlings are doing well. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with what we've got. We probably will start a few more flowers and a few more things. But this is all the room that we have, except upstairs, maybe in front of the window. I might put some of these bigger pots as they get bigger. I might be able to put some of those up there. So yeah, seedlings are not really my forte, but I do like to start a few things. And if we had more room, I would probably start more. So Dahlia did have her kits. They were born at 30 days gestation length. She had four of them. There's one pink, two gray, and one that is black. And they all seem really healthy and vigorous. It seems like she's nursing them and that they're doing well. So this is really exciting. It's a first for us to be breeding rabbits. And yeah, we're really excited to share how it goes with them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.